Well, hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin, and it's Thursday, March 13th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news are brought to you by Emerging Media Holdings Incorporated. Emerging Media Holdings operates through its two subsidiaries, Alianta S.R.L. and Analytic Media Group S.A. The company is primarily focused on radio and television broadcasting, where it derives most of its revenues through advertisement sales. Now let's get right into our headline news from Wednesday. Southwest Airlines Company, now this has been in the news a lot, grounded 43 planes to examine if they were structurally sound enough to carry passengers after it recently acknowledged it had missed required inspections of some planes for cracks. Gasoline and oil prices extended their record-setting streaks yesterday, with gas at the pump reaching a new high of nearly $3.25 and crude surpassing $110 for the first time. The gains came as a weakening dollar led investors to shrug off an Energy Department report that crude oil and gasoline supplies jumped last week. So the markets opened this morning with the Dow down 46.57 points or 0.38%, the Nasdaq down 11.89 points or 0.53%, and the S&P 500 also down 11.88 points or 0.90%. And now let's look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Small cap headlines are brought to you by Ecotality Incorporated today. Ecotality is committed to developing and commercializing environmentally friendly energy systems and solutions that address today's global energy challenge. The amount of energy available from fossil fuels is rapidly dissipating, and one day the conventional fuels may run out. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter highlighted Uranium Energy Corporation as our one to watch, and they closed at $2.75 with over 181,000 shares traded. Uranium Energy Corporation announced new developments regarding the company's proven strategy of acquiring exploration databases and leveraging those databases to generate acquisition targets. Uranium Energy Corporation today announced the acquisition of the historic Kerr-McGee uranium database from Tronox Worldwide LLC, which represents one of the largest databases of its kind, covering nearly every U.S. state and Canada and Australia. First National Entertainment Corporation is at 4 cents with over 6 million shares traded. First National Entertainment Corporation shares climbed after investors took notice of last month's press releases announcing they would change their corporate focus to focus more on the energy sector, which the company believes will present a very attractive entry point to secure a high potential for company profitability. Winning Brands Corporation is up 52% with over 23 million shares traded. Now, the company's recent climb has been fueled by a series of positive news releases, including news that the company's smart wet cleaning system will be installed in 3 of Holland America's line of Vista-class ships. The company also secured a major product listing with its products hitting the shelves of my favorite store, Home Depot, and Walmart in Canada. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter for your latest news from small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we're going to see you again right here tomorrow on our Daily Report.